Hey guys, how are we? I am back from my video the day before, and basically, look, if we just recap kind of what's happening with, the metaverse and everything, probably one of the biggest things is that there's going to be a huge need for VR, AR, MR, developers, creators, and everything else. There's going to be a huge demand and need for this, and one of the biggest challenges that people are going to be facing is, hiring and getting the right talent and stuff like that. So I think probably a big question on everyone's lips is like who's going to educate and train all these people, and how do you go about getting educated and getting trained and becoming a VR developer. So what we're seeing here is obviously just a simple Google search how to become a VR developer. I opened a number of these different tabs and kind of got the rough gist of it. And basically, the rough kind of overview is you want to get a headset, play around in it, um, start to kind of understand what it feels like and what it is, and get a taste for it. Um, if you're completely new to any sort of coding and you're coming from a completely different career, or even if you're a developer who has developed in a different coding language, everybody's talking about Unity and Unreal as the key kind of coding languages that you want to learn. So C hash and I think it was C plus plus. And yeah, just kind of learning those game development, 3D game development um, things, and then basically start joining like a boot camp or joining like some sort of a community, and learning the next steps with them because there's no real official kind of course, and then from there starting to build some of your applications, and show them to the world so that you can, eventually get a job. I don't think it'll be too hard to get a job if you show like some level of decent skill set, just because obviously there's a huge need for it in the market, and will be continuing to grow. So here it is, learning C++ or C hash in Unreal and Unity, and then yeah, basically going from there. Dinesh Puni has a really simple way of explaining this. So just yeah, get a headset, get a feel for it, learn the programming by learning a game engine, and yeah, basically this is what he's saying: Unity or Unreal. And yeah, basically just the key coding languages are C hash and C++, and then get involved in the VR community. That's pretty much the main way, and then start to build a portfolio. And that's the consistent trend, that you see throughout all of these discussion boards. So yeah, C++, C hash coding language, Unreal, Unity, game engines, and then join a community and go from there.